Welcome. In this video, we'll be seeing about the latest Acer Nitro 7 AN71551. In the previous video, we saw about the unboxing and I will give the link in the description. Please check that too. In this video, I'll be talking about all the specifications of this laptop. First, let's see the processor and graphics card. This laptop is powered by the latest Intel Core i5-9300H quad-core processor with a base speed of 2.4 GHz that can be increased up to 4.10 GHz. Talking about the GPU, it is powered by the latest NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 with 4 GB of dedicated GDDR5 graphics. Next, talking about the display, it has got the 15.6-inch Full HD 1920x1080 IPS display that has maximum of 300 nits brightness. Talking about the ports, in the right side it has got a headphone jack, USB 2.0, LED indicators, power plug-in port and air intake vents. In the left side, it has got a Kingston lock, one HDMI 2.0, one HDMI 2.0, one Type-C and two USB 3.1 ports. Coming to the keyboard, it has got a very attractive red backlit keyboard with a nice keystrokes. The keyboard is really good for gaming purpose and as well as typing too. It has also got a decent trackpad. Talking about the storage, it has got 256 GB SSD plus 1 TB HDD and 8 GB of DDR4 RAM which can be expandable up to 32 GB. Now this SSD and hard disk combo makes your laptop a beast, and this hard disk is also a type of hard disk that rotates at 7200 RPM. Talking about the review, I have been using this laptop for the past 3 days and this laptop really gives me a pleasure using it. The combination of Intel i5 1650 graphics, SSD and 8 GB of RAM gives the maximum performance out of this laptop to the convenience. And this laptop is really great in gaming as well as editing, as these both gives the great usage of the graphics card. Since this has got a powerful graphics card, the laptop is really hassle-free and lag-free. The only disadvantage that I have noticed from this laptop after 3 days of usage is that it has got a very low speaker output that you can't be able to hear the noise from the speaker sometimes. So you have to use your external speaker or headphone in order to compensate it. Remaining rest, everything is absolutely fine in this laptop.